Guys? Good morning. This is Captain 838 once again with a triple aircraft review. 777 Die Hard Forever featured Hawaiian Airlines 717 by Gemini Jets in the scale, Gemini Jets 200. Now, I bet you, he has this plane by Gemini Jets in the Gemini Jets 200 series. Now I'm going to show you who it is. Hawaiian Airlines 767-300 with winglets by Skymarks in the 1/1500th scale. Hawaiian Airlines was formed in 1941. It was first used as a sightseeing airliner and later would switch over to the Douglas DC-3 in 1941 as they gave up their Sikorsky flying boats. Now today, Hawaiian Airlines, based out of Honolulu, Hawaii, they have numerous destinations, mostly along the west coast, including New York City and Tokyo Narita. Now, let's begin with the cockpit windows and the windshield wipers, the PO tubes. I'll take you alongside the L1 door, the Hawaiian Airlines tile, the Pratt & Whitney turbofan engines, the winglets of the 767, and the registration of this aircraft. November 582 Hotel Alpha is the registration of this aircraft. Hulu Girl. I'll take you to the APU, the auxiliary power unit, the horizontal stabilizers. Take you around once again to the port and starboard side of the aircraft. The Hulu Girl, the registration, and yes, Hawaiian Airlines is an American flag carrier. I'll bring along the leading edges of the wings, come up alongside the starboard side of the aircraft, and that's it. I got, I got this aircraft from the airplane shop back in 2012 and is now here in Florida as part of my vast collection of aircraft. So, I'll give you a couple more views of the aircraft, starting with this side right here and the other side. Give you a bird's eye view. Very nicely detailed by Skymarks. They did an excellent job. And I would like to say thank you very much. Thank you very much to the airplane shop for making it possible. And thanks to Jose and the other employees that work at the airplane shop for doing an excellent job. So, that's it for this aircraft review. If you like my other videos, check me out on YouTube. And like always, like, comment, subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you around.